I think it's quite difficult to create a new company and have it be successful. And generally, I do not recommend creating new companies unless you feel very compelled to do so. Starting a new company and making it successful, a friend of mine has a good thing for that, which is it's like eating glass and staring into the abyss. So that sounds like something you want to do, then start a company. So it's quite difficult. But I mean, the basics of starting a company are, you have to have an idea that is compelling, or you think that could be a product that could be very valuable to the world. And then you've got to find a lot of talented people and convince them to do this new thing, because talented people are already doing something. So you have to convince them to do this new thing. And that can be it's very hard to do that. And then you have to build the company up. And a company goes through a life cycle, like just a sort of like a human or like any animal. It starts off very simple, like one cell, then you get a few more cells, and then you get some organ differentiation, you start growing arms and legs, and they become like a baby, and then a toddler, a child and teenager, adult. The life cycle of a company is very much like that of a creature, and you have to reinvent the company at every stage. So this is why some companies get to be a large size and some do not. Is because you actually have to reconfigure the country at the various stages of its life cycle.